It's your hair.
Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous lesson, we learned a few greetings in German. In this lesson, you will learn a few common phrases in German. So, let's begin. Lektion 2. Once again, Lektion 2. Häufige Redemittel or common phrases. Once again, häufige Redemittel. I would again request you not to get into the details of the structures. The best would be to repeat each one of them after you hear me. Good luck! Let's come to the first expression you have already heard in the previous video. Danke or Dankeschön. Once again, Danke or Dankeschön. If you are really thankful for something, you say Vielen Dank. Once again, Vielen Dank. Please note that the V has the sound of F. It's Vielen Dank. As a reaction for Danke, Dankeschön, and Vielen Dank, you will say Bitte or Bitte schön. Once again, Bitte or Bitte schön. Like every other language, even German has words with multiple meanings. For example, Bitte. Bitte also means please. Once again, Bitte. In the next phrase, we will come across a common use of Bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Once again, Entschuldigen Sie bitte. But this structure is only used in formal situations. In informal or casual situations, you can just say Entschuldigung bitte. Once again, Entschuldigung bitte. You can also use Entschuldigung to say sorry. Or you can say Es tut mir leid. Once again, Es tut mir leid. Please note you have to say Es tut mir leid. The tut has to be long and not tut. Let's move to the next one. Wie bitte? If I don't understand what one is saying and I want them to repeat, I would say Wie bitte? Since this is a question, it is very important to use the correct intonation. Wie bitte? As if you're asking a question. An alternative to Wie bitte is Noch einmal bitte. Once again, Noch einmal bitte. Please note the change in the intonation, since this is not a question but a request. The next one is a more formal way of asking someone to repeat something. Bitte wiederholen Sie. Once again, bitte wiederholen Sie. You will be listening to these structures in your daily life in Germany. The next one is Sprechen Sie Deutsch or Sprechen Sie English. Once again, Sprechen Sie Deutsch or Sprechen Sie English. Now, if I don't speak these languages, I would say Ich spreche kein Deutsch or Ich spreche kein Englisch. Once again, Ich spreche kein Deutsch. Ich spreche kein Englisch. And if I speak a bit, I would say Ich spreche etwas Deutsch or Ich spreche etwas Englisch. Once again, Ich spreche etwas Deutsch or Ich spreche etwas Englisch. I believe you have already made out from the previous structures, Ich is for I. The next one says, Ich verstehe nicht. Once again, Ich verstehe nicht. Excellent. Let's move on to the next one. Ich weiß nicht. Once again, Ich weiß nicht. The beta symbol has the sound of a double S. As an alternative, you can say keine Ahnung. Once again, Keine Ahnung. Here is the next one. Kein Problem. Once again, kein Problem. Now a very simple one. Einen Moment bitte. Once again, einen Moment bitte. Now coming to the three most important words in a language. Ja. Once again, ja. Nein. Once again, nein. Vielleicht. Once again, vielleicht. Please notice the J has the sound of je, 9, as the English number 9. Vielleicht. Again, the V has the sound of F. Let's go through all these phrases once again. Don't forget to repeat after me. Danke, danke schön. Bitte, bitte schön. Bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigung bitte. Es tut mir leid. Wie bitte? Noch einmal bitte. Bitte wiederholen Sie. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Sprechen Sie Englisch? Ich spreche etwas Deutsch. Ich spreche etwas Englisch. Ich spreche kein Deutsch. Ich spreche kein Englisch. Ich verstehe nicht. Ich weiß nicht. Keine Ahnung. Kein Problem. Ja, nein, vielleicht. Well done. You have learned a lot more new structures of the German language. If you want to practice what you have learned today, danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.